Difference between entrepreneur and intrapreneur. So dependency you see on entrepreneur is independent in his operation. Independent means he doesn't decide on who is going to take decision. He will take his decisions on his own. He is not controlled by anyone. But intrapreneur is dependent on entrepreneur. So intrapreneur depends on the owner. So definitely an intrapreneur is a person who is appointed by the company to develop the product, right? So he is dependent on the owner. If the owner says stop your idea and get back to work as usual, then it is gone, right? So intrapreneur is dependent on the entrepreneur. Raising of funds, entrepreneur has to do everything by himself. Either you have to go for government or you have to go for private and you have to arrange funds for running your company. But on intrapreneur, you see, the funds are not raised by him. The company takes care of everything. The funds are not raised by him. Risk, you see, entrepreneur has risk. Loss means gone. But intrapreneur, you see, there is no risk at all. He does not bear the risk. The company is really bearing the risk for him. That's why I said the company is giving him all the facilities to invent the product, right? So the company actually he bears the risk equally as he is going to bear, but that is not going to have any binding on him because he is going to receive his salary and other things as usual. Operation, entrepreneur operates from outside, but entrepreneur operates from the organization itself. It's just like a rebel. A company is tackling its rebel by keeping him inside and doing his ideas. So if the product is not going to come out successful, the company may fire him or may not fire him. In that case, he will come out and start his own business. It's just like a company, in order to tame the entrepreneur, they have just taken this step to allow him and give him the freedom and authority to develop his own.